So summer is the perfect time to bring out your bicycle shorts. I have seen these everywhere lately, and instead of wasting my money trying out a trend that will die out probably a year or 2 years from now, I'm going to recycle these old pair of jeans and turn them into bicycle shorts. This tutorial is super easy and no sewing needed. The things you need are a pair of super skinny jeans and a pair of scissors. So let's get started.
Okay, so first thing first, I would recommend you to find an old pair of skinny jeans. Find a pair of jeans that is super tight, especially around your thighs. In this next part, I will try on my old pair of skinny jeans and we will see.
I was one of those kids and I bought a pair of super duper skinny jeans, so I haven't put this on in a really long time. Oh my god, they're so fucking tight. Okay, good news, they still fit me. I really did not know why I bought these. Remember when super skinny jeans were a thing? That was...
Please don't take off your jeans just yet. Grab a Sharpie or a marker. Mark a small line on one of the legs of the jeans, like what I am doing right now. Please note that the line should be above your knees, and this should be the length of the shorts. Now, lay out your pair of jeans on a flat surface. You can see the line I marked earlier here. If you are someone who cannot cut straight, just use a ruler and patch up a straight line with the line that you marked earlier. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this leg. Now that I'm done cutting one leg off, I will use the short leg to mark a line on the other leg with a Sharpie. Here I am cutting the second leg, hoping that it will be okay, because one small mistake while cutting will ruin my whole pair of shorts. I'm just kidding, it's not that serious. Anyways, even if the cut is not that perfect, it is totally fine. And voila! Now you have your own personal pair of bicycle shorts without wasting your money. Well, technically you already spent your money buying those skinny jeans, but at the end of the day, you don't have to spend more money, I guess.
I'll show you guys how I would style these.
The first outfit that I have on is just a little bit formal, but not really. I'm wearing this white shirt from H&M. This is from their collaboration with Erdem. This Gucci fanny pack gives my outfit a little bit more structure, and to finish the look, I am wearing these loafers from Doc Martens to keep the black and white theme. Next, this outfit is way more comfortable and casual comparing to the last outfit, but I'm here to show you guys different ways you can dress up with these bicycle shorts. I'm wearing this cream color zip up top from ASOS. I purposely bought this top in a large so I can get this oversized fit. Bicycle shorts will always go with a pair of chunky athletic shoes. We all know who started this trend first. I'm wearing my Adidas shoes, and to finish the look, I am wearing my shades from Gucci. This outfit is definitely my favorite outfit.
I hope you guys enjoy the looks that I put together for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Strange things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.